Hello everyone, this is AI here, and in today's tutorial I'll teach you how to create this triangle-based geometric figure in Inkscape. Alright, so to get started we go ahead and we create a new composition. We're going to set the orientation to landscape, so we go to File, Document Properties, and we set it to landscape. And then we're going to add center guides to the composition, so we go to Extensions, Document, Guides Creator. We set the value of columns and rows to 2 and we click on Apply. And then we're going to start drawing the figure. So we are going to need equilateral triangles. So we take the Star Polygon tool. We set it to Polygon and we set the number of corners to 3. And then starting from the middle of the composition and while holding Ctrl and Shift to expand from the center and preserve the proportions, we go ahead and we create a triangle this way. And then we're going to set the stroke to none and the fill to black if you do not already have it. And then we're going to duplicate and rotate it, so we double click on it to have the rotation center in the middle of the composition. And then we go to the transform panel, we select rotate. We can find it here if you don't have it. And then we're going to rotate it by 20 degrees, so we set the rotation angle to 20. We click on Ctrl D to duplicate and we click on apply. And then we're going to repeat the process. So we click on Ctrl D and we click on apply. Until we have 6 triangles overall. So now we have all the triangles that we need. And now we are going to create a figure, so we select them all. We take the shape builder tool. We set the action to add. And we'll leave replace objects on. And then we click on the shape here, on the shape here, and on the shape here. And now click on accept. So now we have all these 3 shapes. And we're going to use them to create the rest of the figure. So we click on Ctrl G to group them together. And then we're going to duplicate and rotate them. So we click on the figure. And we set the rotation center in the middle of the composition. And then we're going to duplicate and rotate again. So we press on Ctrl D to duplicate. And we click on apply. And then we're going to repeat the process until we have duplicated it 17 times. Alright, so now we have completed the figure. So you learn how to create this triangle-based geometry figure in Inkscape. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something from it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.